How to see mutual friends on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. Over here, go to the top right corner and tap on the add icon as shown. Here, you can find and add friends on Snapchat. Select a user from the suggested Find Friends list and tap on it. On this page, you can see the username of this user as well as how many mutual friends you have with this user on Snapchat. However, you cannot see who the mutual friends are. You can only see how many mutual friends you have. You can repeat the same for other users and check how many mutual friends you have with them. You can also add this user on Snapchat by tapping on the Add button shown in here. Following these steps, you can easily see mutual friends on Snapchat.